Okay, so in this video we're going to be talking about the new sky swap feature in the Insta360 app. This is something that just came out very recently at the beginning of July. Someone asked me for a little tutorial on that, but I just want to remind you that there's a Prime Day sale going on at the Insta360 store, July 8th through the 15th. I'll give you some more details on what some of the discounts are and also the special gifts you can get for I think the Go 2, 1X2, and the 1RS. I'll detail those at the end of the video. So the Sky Swap feature will work for any footage from the 1X2, the 1R 360, or the 1RS 360 mod. I'm pretty sure the new 1RS 1-inch 360 mod will probably work with this feature as well, but I don't have that camera, so I can't confirm or deny whether it'll work for that or not, but I'm pretty sure it will. So the footage you're going to be seeing here is from the 1X2. I recorded this a while back, so if you have some old footage, you can actually apply this new feature to that old footage and it'll work just fine. So first off, you want to get the latest version of the Insta360 app. On Android, it's 1.18.1, came out on July 1st of 2022. I don't know what the corresponding version on the iOS platform is. I don't have any Apple products. So yeah, if you happen to know what that is, let me know in the comments. But I'm pretty sure that the app for the iOS products is actually updated before the one for Android. Anyway, after you've updated the app, go ahead and open it up, and you want to go into the stories, and then you want to bring up Shot Lab, and the Sky Swap feature is the second one here. Go ahead and tap on that, and so it gives you an example of basically swaps out the daytime sky for, like this example, a night sky, which is pretty cool. And we'll go ahead and use this theme. And let's go pick out some footage here. This is something that I recorded a while back. And what you got to do is just kind of scrub through your footage and find the segments you want. And I'm going to be recording it defaults to a 15-second clip here. So let's see here. This is something that I've published before, a 360 video. This is a drive through Zion Canyon Drive. This is, I think, back in February. Okay, pretty cool. So should be able to see some sky there. We can adjust the angle and everything. Hit next, and it's going to start processing the video. This is very easy to do. Okay, so you can see that's starting to do the playback here, and it's doing like the surround, basically kind of going around. You can also set a custom angle. So if you click on that, you can actually set your custom angle here. And it's putting these clouds in here. This is actually the default effect here. This is not what it looks like if you put in none. This is what the original footage looks like here. It's just basically kind of blue sky mostly. A little bit of sun there in the background. But I'm going to choose the night sky here, the Galaxy 1. Looks like reprocessing here. And we can see now, if you look around, there's the Milky Way. So now we swapped out the daytime sky for a nighttime sky. And I'm going to change the aspect ratio to 9:16. It's because going to be probably posting this as an Instagram reel. Okay. And hit playback here. Let's see what that looks like. And then let's see what the surround version looks like. And this one you can't change the angle. So I kind of want to get more of the sky instead of the, basically this is kind of the ground here. This is taken from a selfie stick attached to my car. So I'm going to go with custom here. It doesn't go around in a circle though, so let's see here. Let's get that Milky Way here into view. And then hit export. So you can put it into the phone album, which is what I'm going to do, or you can go and immediately create a story. I think that's for exporting it to Instagram. Go ahead and put that onto the phone album. Here you can select your settings. Yeah, so 1080 by 1920, 30 frames per second sounds good to me. Let's see if it had more. Color plus or remove grain. Do I want to add some additional effects? I'll hit the remove grain here. And we'll hit export. And you can see here at the bottom, you can share to different platforms, Facebook, Instagram, etc., YouTube. And before I show you what this actually looks like, I just want to point out that the other effects here are available, like Ocean, Galaxy 2, all these other interesting ones. So if you don't like that one, there's a lot of other ones to choose from. I just wanted to show you one example. Obviously, you can swap it out for something else, and then the sky will look completely different. But anyway, here is what it looks like in full screen mode on the phone. Anyway, so a little bit more on the Prime Day sale. It's actually at the Insta360 store. It runs from July 8th to the 15th. There's going to be 3 affiliate links down in the video description for the Go 2, the 1X2, and the 1RS. And if you use that link, you'll get some special gifts with my particular link. I think each affiliate partner gets a different set of gifts. So if you use someone else's link, then you might get some different gifts. So I'm going to note what those are here on the screen because it's, well, I can't remember them all. This is a bunch of different things for different items. And then each of the cameras that are on sale, I'll probably point some out here on the screen. And basically they're about 10 to 15% off, depending on which camera you get. So yeah, check out those deals and make sure that if you want to get the cameras, that one of those cameras out of the 3, use the links and you get the extra special gifts along with the camera if you use those particular affiliate links. Anyway, hope the tutorial was helpful for you. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll talk to you guys in the next video.